The Giganet LJ6C module is an RJ45 jack designed primarily to fit UK-style faceplates and floor boxes. Both Category 5E and Category 6 versions are available. The module measures 25mm by 38mm and is about 20mm from front to back. Giganet LJ6C faceplates come in single and double gang sizes for mounting 1, 2 or 4 modules. Blanking plates can be used to fill any empty positions. The terminals at the back of the module are colour-coded in line with the T568B wiring scheme. If you need to wire to the T568A scheme, simply swap the orange and green pair positions. Using the Giganet GN561010 cable stripper, score and remove approximately 30mm of cable jacket. Cut away the nylon cord and, if you're working with Category 6 cable, remove the central pair separator. Lay the cable against the connector so that the end of the jacket is as close as possible to the end of the wiring block. Then, paying attention to the colour code, lace all 4 pairs into their correct wiring positions, ready for termination. Try to retain the pair twists as close as possible to the terminals. Use the Giganet 110 termination tool on a low setting to insert and cut the conductors. Finally, clip the module into the faceplate from the front. For more information, visit Giganet on the web at www.giga-net.co.uk.